Imagine stepping into an SUV that blends rugged capability with premium comfort in a way that feels surprisingly upscale. The 2027 Jetour T2 XWD is here to challenge expectations, offering bold styling, advanced technology, and the confidence of an intelligent all-wheel drive system. Whether you're exploring city streets or venturing onto rough trails, this SUV aims to deliver a driving experience that feels refined without sacrificing adventure. If you've been searching for an SUV that combines luxury, practicality, and modern design, you'll definitely want to stay until the end because this could be one of the biggest surprises of the year. The first thing that grabs your attention is its commanding presence. The 2027 Jetour T2 XWD features a bold, squared-off body that gives it a tough and confident appearance. The upright grille is paired with striking LED headlights that create a premium look both day and night. Sharp body lines, muscular wheel arches, and stylish alloy wheels add to its rugged personality while maintaining a sophisticated edge. The floating roof design and sleek LED taillights provide a modern touch, making the SUV look equally impressive from every angle. Protective body cladding and generous ground clearance hint at its off-road capabilities, while carefully sculpted details give it a polished and luxurious feel. Step inside, and the cabin immediately creates a premium atmosphere. High-quality soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and carefully crafted surfaces make the interior feel far more expensive than many competitors. The spacious seating offers excellent comfort for both front and rear passengers, making long road trips much more enjoyable. A massive touchscreen infotainment display serves as the centerpiece, providing easy access to navigation, smartphone connectivity, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers crisp driving information, while ambient lighting enhances the upscale mood during nighttime drives. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, panoramic sunroof options, and advanced climate controls ensure that convenience is always within reach. Technology plays a major role in the overall experience. The latest voice control system responds naturally to commands, allowing drivers to adjust navigation, music, and climate settings without taking their hands off the wheel. Over-the-air software updates keep the vehicle current with new features, while premium audio options create an immersive listening experience for every journey. Under the hood, the 2027 Jetour T2 XWD is expected to deliver a balanced combination of power and efficiency. Its turbocharged engine provides strong acceleration for highway merging while maintaining smooth performance during everyday driving. The intelligent XWD all-wheel drive system constantly monitors road conditions and automatically distributes power where it's needed most, providing greater stability on wet roads, gravel paths, snow, or uneven terrain. Multiple driving modes allow the SUV to adapt to different environments, giving drivers extra confidence wherever the road leads. The suspension is carefully tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining excellent handling, creating a comfortable ride even on rough surfaces. Precise steering and responsive braking further enhance driver confidence, whether navigating busy urban traffic or winding mountain roads. Safety is another area where the Jetour T2 XWD aims to impress. Advanced driver assistance features are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-resolution 360-degree camera system. Together, these technologies help reduce driver fatigue while improving overall safety for everyone on board. Although official pricing may vary depending on the market and trim level, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Jetour T2 XWD will offer exceptional value by combining luxury-inspired features with competitive pricing. If Jetour delivers everything promised, this SUV could become one of the smartest choices for buyers seeking premium comfort, modern technology, and genuine all-wheel drive capability without paying a luxury brand price. The 2027 Jetour T2 XWD proves that adventure and first-class quality can truly go hand in hand.